Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Todd Cox, your South Florida real estate rock star. I don't care if you're in Austin or Boston or if you're in Maine or Spain. We are rocking and rolling and strutting and strolling around this beautiful 6,600 square foot, 4-bedroom unit at the Porsche Tower. Now take a look at this beautiful artifacto living room. Truly grand, great ocean views right over there, absolutely stunning, amazing. Wow. If you look right here, this is a 150 bottle wine cellar. Okay? Beautiful. Give me a call if you have any questions. My name is Todd Cox. Again, my telephone number is 305-615-4135, or you can view my website at miamirealtyconcierge.com. Take a look at the beautiful guest bedroom overlooking the intercoastal waterways. It's truly a blessing. Sunrise, sunset. Has a bathroom in here. We'll take a look real quick. The lovely Melissa. Don't do any better than this. This unit comes with marble flooring and 21-foot ceilings. You will not get claustrophobic. Now, we're looking at a 2-car garage. The unit has 4, but 2 on this side, and we have 2 on the opposite side. Look at that one right. We're walking. Now we have our island kitchen with black granite and carbon fiber. Right here, you're going to have your valet freezer. This is a deep well. Beautiful. Cappuccino machine, coffee maker, microwave oven, 2 ovens conventional, and then you have bread warmers at the bottom. Now we'll take a look over here. Look at the cabinets. We'll just push right here and watch them close. You'll never hear anything slam in this unit. Okay? Now over here we have a sitting area right on the ocean front. And we'll walk out real fast. To the swimming pool at the kitchen. I mean, you really can't beat having a pool at the kitchen. Here we go. Okay, check out these views. Truly breathtaking, astonishing. Right here, this building that was just topped off is the Armani Casa. Okay? All right, now we have another 2-car garage right here. Talk about keeping your eye on the cars that are right here in front of you. Okay? It's truly amazing. All right, another bedroom here. Again, overlooking the water. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are with the master bedroom. Take a look at this beauty. Huge. This bedroom has an office right here with a wine cellar view, a wine rack view. Okay. That's amazing. Now over here we have our midnight kitchen. It's set up working, but it is a midnight kitchen. And one giant closet. Take a look at this view. tower overlooking the Atlantic Ocean. Really can't beat this. It's got the Toto commode with a seat warmer.
And separate his and hers.
And separate his and hers. Beautiful. Back into the master with views of the Atlantic Ocean. If you're ready for an apartment like this, please give me a call. Now on to the sitting area on the second floor. You want to view it, Melissa? On to the next bedroom. White marble flooring, it's all decorated for you. And of course the intercoastal view and ocean views. Again, Todd Cox, 305-615-4135, or view this unit, MiamiRealtyConcierge.com.